Since 1992, a small van with a body that can be customized has been offered. The Piaggio Porter is offered as a gasoline, LPG, or BEV variant with lengths ranging from 4.20 to 5.00 meters. It is ideal for urban settings, such as a food truck, because to its size and mobility. Piaggio, perhaps? That name is familiar to me. Indeed, they're the inventors of the fabled ape, three-wheel cabin scooters with interchangeable delivery bodies that are still frequently seen in the winding streets of some of Italy's biggest cities. Although it doesn't precisely resemble a conventional commercial vehicle, the Piaggio Porter is meant to replace them locally and, ideally, without emissions. Caselani agreed and gave the transporter a four-wheeled ape vintage design. The new 4PE retro kit for the Piaggio Porter MP6 and MP has been revealed by the Italian coach builder. Headlights, grille bumpers, and fenders are all part of the makeover. The vans in the 4PE version are extremely close to preserving the cabin scooter's unique vintage flavor. There is a noticeable difference thanks to the unit's compact headlights with built-in turn signals on the sides. The horizontal grille protrudes slightly forward to resemble the centrally positioned wheel of the 8P series, while the delicate emblem in the center is suggestive of the snub nose of the classic Italian car. It's obvious that designer David Obendorfer had a blast with this model. Thus, the driving characteristics of a contemporary commercial vehicle are mixed with the aesthetic of the 1970s. Additionally, the new car has more driving stability because to its four wheels than its original three. Most likely, we may still recall its dynamic cornering. With an additional wheel, the Caselani 4PE is the big brother of the iconic ape,